Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
If we are all here, let's get started. Good morning, Mrs. Arifiandani, our owner project. First of all, I would like you to please join me in welcoming Mr. Aldi Maulana, our project manager.
Thank you for having me. I'm looking forward to today's meeting.
I would also like to introduce Mr. Andrian, our engineering section head.
Thank you. Also introduce my assistant, Mr. Rizky, my engineering staff.
Hi everyone, thank you for having me on this meeting. I'm Rizky Maulana, the assistant of Mr. Adrian.
Welcome, Mr. Rizky. I would also like to introduce Mrs. Aprita, our financial section head.
Hey everyone, thank you for having me on this meeting. I'm Aprita Putri, the financial second head. Thank you.
Okay, welcome Mrs. Aprita. I would also like to introduce Mrs. Anggun, our SHA officer.
Hi everyone, thank you for having me on this meeting.
Welcome Mrs. Anggun. I would also like to introduce Mr. Akim, our main project implementer.
Thank you. May I also introduce my assistant, Mr. Bain, my project complementer.
Okay.
Hello, my name is Jim Caksono. I'm a project implementer.
Okay, let's get started. We are here today to discuss about handover the construction project to Mrs. Arifiandani as owner. First, let's go over the report from the last meeting, which was held on November 23, 2021. Let me summarize the main point from the last meeting. At the previous meeting, we discussed the progress of the work that has been completed and has not been done. For the improvement, it will be conveyed by Mr. Aldi in this meeting. Then, the second one, we discussed about the role of the project in preserving the surrounding environment. The report will be submitted by Mrs. Anggun.
Thank you, Mr. Burhan. So, if there is nothing else we need to discuss, let's move on to today's discussion. Have you all received a copy of today's agenda? Maybe you have already. In this meeting, we will discuss in this meeting we will discuss the handover of the project to Mr. Arifiandani as the owner. And first of all, I will present an update on our project achievement today. And before I start the report, I would like to get some ideas from all of you. How do you feel about installing CCTV for project security? Because after we had it offered to because after we hand over the project to Mrs. Arifiandani, there will be a security vacancy that can risk the theft of tools and materials in the project.
I agree with you. I don't think only that, we also have to install a guardrail of barbed wire around the project area to prevent any intruders from coming.
Yes, I also agree with that. And I also propose to increase our security capacity to guard because the area around the project is an unsafe area. I will also install signs for dangerous areas around the project.
Okay, Mrs. Aprita, can you prepare the cost for CCTV installation?
Okay, I will budget the cost of installing CCTV.
Okay, thanks. And Mr. Andrian, can you find the supplier of the CCTV and please report the cost requirement to Mrs. Aprita, ya?
Okay, I will make a budget plan.
Okay, I will move on to our main discussion in this meeting. I will present the condition of the project to that which will be hand over to Mrs. Arifian Dani. Maybe I will share the screen. Okay, Mrs. Arifian Dani, this is our project report. Project is Taman Sari Gangga. The overview name project is Condotel Taman Sari Gangga, and the owner is joint operation between PT Wijaya Karya Realty with the PT Wijaya Karya Persero Tbk. And the planning consultant is PT Bias Techno Art Kreasidap as a architecture consultant, and Junaidi Masri and Associates as a structure consultant, and PT Narama Mandiri as a MEP Mechanical Electrical Plumbing Consultant, and PT Architect Tim 4 as a construction management. And the construction time is start in 9 September 2017 until 30 April 2019. First addendum is until 27 October 2019, and second addendum until 30 January 2020, and the third addendum until 30 June 2020. The location in Street Yeh Gangga, Sudimara, Tabanan, Bali, and the land area 30,000 square with 5 floor layer. There is a second ground floor, and then first floor, second floor, and rooftop. Building area between 5,000 square. Total units 97 units room. Type A 68 unit. Type B 6 units. Type C 15 unit. And type D 5 unit. And type E 3 unit. Next to set plan. This is the set plan of our project. The location is not far from Yeh Gangga Beach. This location is very strategic for the hospitality business in the future development. Our plan is to create a beach club in the beach. This is our layout. There is 5 floors in this project, in this building. In the ground floor, there is a 25 unit type A, and 2 unit type B, and 2 unit type D. In the first floor, there is a 24 unit type A, 2 unit type B, 7 unit type C, 2 unit type D, and 2 unit type E. In the second floor, there is a 20 unit. There's a 20 unit type E, 2 unit type B, 8 unit type C, 1 unit type D, and 1 unit type E. In the roof floor, only public area. There is no rooms in the rooftop. And this is our gallery pictures. This is a north facade. Progress building facade is 100%. And this is our entrance in the night and in the day. This entrance can accommodate on one bus. Next, this is our restaurant that can accommodate around 400 people. Next, corridor. And this is our rooftop. And this is the only public facilities, including spa rooms, reflexology, bar, retail, fitness, pool. There is no room in the rooftop. This is a swimming pool. This is a point of view in this building. You can see the ocean. This is a roof bar. Visitor can feel the beauty of beach while enjoying European style dishes. And this is our parking. This parking lot can accommodate about 30 cars and 50 motorbikes. Bus vehicles can park in the drop-off area. This is our unit room. Type A, this is a type B, and this is type C. Type C, this is the type D, and type E. Okay, maybe that's enough explanation from my presentation. In essence, this project has reached 100% with the work item structure, architecture, MEP, and landscape. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Aldi, for the presentation. The readiness for the handover is quite good, but as it did, there is one work that has not been completed. What is the problem?
The finish work is the construction of a recent temple due to the difficulty of raw materials during the pandemic. The work is targeted to be complete by the end of this week. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Next.
Then there is the submission of a work progress report by main project implementer.
Okay, thanks, Mr. Burhan. Here I will report the progress of the project work that has been incomplete. So what is still under construction is the construction of a recent temple in Lobby. This delay was caused by the pandemic, which because our obstacle in distributing the material for making the recent temple. We estimate that the construction of this temple will be complete within the next week. That's pretty much what I said. Are there any questions? Okay, I hope you guys are clear enough of my presentation. Thank you.
Thanks. Tom.
Okay, thank you for the report.
Then there is a presentation of environmental sustainability by SHE.
Thank you. Here I will deliver a presentation on the role of the project in environmental conservation. This is the activity report to increase environmental awareness in Taman Sariganga construction. First, gardening and tree planting. The activities are planting some trees or forestation around the entrance garden and office garden. Turtle conservation. Protecting animals by conducting the turtle or tukik conservation, especially local custom penyu. There are different places for small tukik and big tukik. Cleaning the Subak Channel and the beach Yaganga. The activities are cleaning around the Subak Channel and wet team get rid of the trash. Water saving. In reducing of water, we only can open the faucet if we need it, then close it after use. Electricity saving. To save electric, we may remove the plug or charger if the battery is full. Next, we may turn the lamp on in the dark or if we need it. In the day, we may turn it off. Reduce paper usage. We can reuse the waste paper. Reduce the use of plastic. We can use a bag to carry anything. It may reduce of using plastic. Zero food waste. After having meals, we can give our leftover to animals such as cat, dog. Reuse of waste paper. A lot of waste papers in office can be used anymore to reduce the usage of paper. Office material or management or reusable construction. We may reuse the formulable waste material to make new tables and chairs. Utilization, innovation, or waste recycling or management or contraction. Making an utilization innovation such as handphone stems from used times. Environmental care campaign or promotion. Let people aware of environment by making an environmental care campaign or promotion and educating the local residents there. Installation of environmentally friendly infographics. The installation of environmentally friendly infographics in some areas needed will make people easier to understand. Environmental care banner, umbul-umbul or baliho. Besides that, there are banners, umbul-umbul or baliho to let people aware of the environment. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for the report.
Then there is a presentation of financial report by Finance Division.
The report will be submitted by me. Okay, everyone, you can see this presentation. Okay, this is graphic we have, and we install CCTV fixed down 2 pieces, and this is total price, and fiber optic, power cable, router, CCTV other heat vision, and this is total price we will spend internally. So this is a picture of CCTV we will use. Okay, enough for my presentation. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for the report. I cannot carry out the handover because the president director is visiting abroad our project this week. But I will try to finish it in the next week. And for all documents, please prepare well. Your microphone is muted.
Okay, sorry. Okay, I think that's enough for our meeting today. Before we close, let me convey the main points that we have got. First, what I can conclude from the first presentation is that the construction time start from 9 September 2017 to 30 April 2019, and the project has been completed to 100%, but there is still something missing. And from the second presentation, the conclusion is to add a place for the preservation of nature and animals to make it greener and more beautiful. And also we use 3R, which is reuse, reduce, recycle for eco-friendly projects. And last, the third presentation is discussing information spending on using CCTV in this project.
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Burhan. Right, looks like we have covered the main item Is there anything else?
I'm sorry, sir. When will we have our next meeting?
Oh, we will have another meeting next month on the same date. Is it good for everyone?
I think good.
I would like to
Yes.
thank to all of you here for coming to our meeting today. And maybe it's enough for our meeting. See you next month. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you.